Hi, I am Srikanth, 2nd BCom C, KCS Cosinodar College of Arts and Science. I am going to explain the steps in formation of company. Meaning of a company. A company is a type of business. It is often a business organization which makes goods or service in an organized manner and sell them to the public for profit. It may also be a non-profit organization. A company may hire people to be the staff of the company. The major steps in formation of a company are as follows: promotion stage, registration stage, incorporation stage, commencement of business stage. First one, promotion stage. Promotion of business simple refers to all those activities that are required to be undertaken to establish a new business unit for manufacturing or distribution of any product or provide any service to the people. Second one, registration stage. After promotion, the second stage in the formation of company is the registration stage. The promoter of a company should perform of the following functions from getting the company registered under the Companies Act. Third one, incorporation stage. A company is properly consolidated only when it is duly registered under the Act and the certificate of incorporation has been obtained from the registrar of a company. Fourth and last stage, commencement of business stage. It is be issued by the director within 180 days of incorporation of a company, starting that the subscribers to the memorandum of the companies has paid the value of shares so agreed by them, along with a verification of registered office address of the company. Thank you.